A trending combat sport called slap battle is gaining popularity and aiming to have a regular tournament in the Philippines. For the details, here's the report from Paolo Salamatin.
It's not just for TV dramas. If you have a thick skin, this new trending competition called the slap battle might be for you. The rules are simple. If you can deliver the strongest slap, you have the advantage. The game mechanics, the first to get knocked down or give up loses. Slap fights have been popular in other countries for a while, originating in Russia. It gained international attention in 2017, especially in the US, where the Power Slap League was established under the Ultimate Fighting Championship or UFC. Fitness enthusiast, vlogger, influencer, and actor Coach Alexis Tolentino hopes to establish a regular slap battle league in the Philippines.
Nakakatuwa kasi very entertaining siya, kakaiba, hindi siya common na katulad ng mga regular sports ng boxing, basketball, or ng mga iba pang mixed martial arts. Ito kasi yung parang konti pa lang yung gumagawa or nagpapa-event ng ganito. Kaya maraming na-excite.
Slap battles started gaining public attention in the Philippines in 2022. However, it received mixed reactions, with some saying it's dangerous and inappropriate, especially for younger audiences. Tolentino, however, dismissed these concerns.
Sinasabi ng mga tao na mas delikado raw kasi walang depensa. Sasaluhin mo daw yung mismong impact ng sampal. Pero kahit naman ganun, kapag kinumpara mo yung slap battle kumpara sa sports, let's just say ng boxing, na umaabot ng 12 rounds, kahit naka-gloves yun, mas delikado yun. Kasi yung gloves, pag tumama yun sa ulo mo, naaalog yung brain natin. Yun yung nagiging cause minsan ng pagkakaroon ng aksidente at comatose. Sa slap battle kasi, ang tatama sa mukha mo is yung palad mo, hindi yung kamao mo na mas delikado.
Tolentino and his team are optimistic about the potential growth of slap battles in the Philippines, hoping it could eventually become a recognized sport someday. Paolo Salamatin from the National TV Network for the new and better Philippines.